Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. So the dragon piece has now cured and I am ready to add the finishing touches. I'm going to add the two trees that's in the forefront and the dragon itself. And I'm just trying to get an idea of where I want to place everything. And I'm ready now to take the vinyl off of the backer paper. And I am going to be using the diamond glaze on the sticky side of the vinyl just to make sure that it adheres to the resin. It's already down there because I'll put the next coat of resin on, and I want to make sure that the vinyl is secure all the way around the edges and no bubbles. If you leave just a small pinhole, resin can get underneath and lift the vinyl off of your piece. And now I'm attaching the trees that were made from the tinfoil, and they had a tendency to try to stick up at the edges. So I'm just using a little bit of weight from the bottles there to hold it down until it's good and dry. And now we're ready for our layer of resin. And again, I'm using Pro Marine resin, and I want to make sure that I get a really good coat in between the crevices of the tinfoil. Make sure that everything is coated right out to the edges, and then over the edges I want to have a nice smooth layer. And then we're going to do a little bit of heat, pop any of the bubbles that might come up, and I continue to do that for about an hour after I put the resin on. Come back and just check it and make sure that there are no more bubbles, because sometimes when you're using items with texture, it has a tendency to maybe trap some air underneath the edges if there's any kind of opening at all, and then you'll get an air bubble, and it's kind of not fun when you get one. So you just keep checking it and just run the torch over it and make sure that there's no bubbles at all. And then you'll have a nice smooth surface. And I think that about do it. And we're going to let it cure, and then I'm going to show you the final results. I think it turned out really great. Here it is. I've done it under some different lights so you can see the different colors, how they come to brighter and how they dim down, just depending on what lighting you use. You can see that sparkle of that dragon glaze that's on the dragon, and the holographic vine of the moon. The aluminum foil has some shine to it, but yet you can see that texture. I am just in love with this piece. I think it really turned out nice. So if you've enjoyed this, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Ring that bell so you'll get notified when I upload future videos. Everything I use will be below in the description box. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I always love to hear your feedback. Let me know if you like it, what you think about it, the colors. If you have any suggestions, I'll always love to hear those. And I think I'll be doing one more layer of resin on this. There's a couple little places that still is just above the line of the resin, so I want it to be completely coated, give more depth to the piece. So I want to thank y'all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.